Question number 1. Which is the longest bridge in Indian Railways? Correct answer is option B. Bojibeel Bridge. Question number 2. What was the first private train service in India? Correct answer is option A. Tejas Express. Question number 3. Georgia, Uzbekistan and Turkmenistan became member of the UNO in. Correct answer is option B. In 1992. Question number 4. Guru Gobind Singh was. Correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 5. Which is the smallest zone in Indian Railways? Correct answer is option B. Kolkata Metro. Question number 6. For what is the fairy queen in India famous? Correct answer is option A. Oldest locomotive. Question number 7. Germany signed the Armistice Treaty on Daesh and World War first ended. Correct answer is option C. November 11 in 1980. Question number 8. During World War II, when did Germany attack France? Correct answer is option A. In 1940. Question number 9. What is the purpose of dedicated freight corridors in Indian Railways? Correct answer is option B. Freight transport. Question number 10. Where was the first metro rail service in India started? Correct answer is option C. Kolkata. Question number 11. The ozone layer restricts. Correct answer is option D. Ultraviolet radiation. Question number 12. Ferry Dirk Sanger is a twice recipient of the Nobel Prize for. Correct answer is option A. Chemistry in 1958 and in 1980. Question number 13. Which is the highest railway station in Indian Railways? Correct answer is option B. Gum. Question number 14. What was the first railway station in Indian Railways? Correct answer is option C. Thane. Question number 15. Ecology deals with. Correct answer is option C. Relation between organisms and their environment. Question number 16. Goa Shipyard Limited GSL was established in. Correct answer is option B. In 1957. Question number 17. Who was the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army? Correct answer is option A. General K.M. Keripa. Question number 18. In which city was the first metro rail project in India started? Correct answer is option B. Mumbai. Question number 19. What is the national emblem of Indian Railways? Correct answer is option C. Wheel and wings. Question number 20. Coral reefs in India can be found in. Correct answer is option C. Rameshwaram. Question number 21. Which Indian currency note features the portrait of Mahatma Gandhi? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 22. What unique feature was added to the Indian 500 and 2000 notes introduced in November 2016? Correct answer is option C, a Braille identification mark for the visually impaired. Question number 23. Golden Temple Amritsar is India's. Correct answer is option A, largest Gurdwara. Question number 24. Heavy water project and fertilizer plant are famous industries of. Correct answer is option A, Orissa. Question number 25. Hamid Karzai was chosen president of Afghanistan in. Correct answer is option C, 2002. Question number 26. Durand Cup is associated with the game of. Correct answer is option B, football. Question number 27. Headquarters of UNO are situated at. Correct answer is option A, New York, USA. Question number 28. First International Peace Congress was held in London in. Correct answer is option C, 1843 AD. Question number 29. For seeing objects at the surface of water from a submarine underwater, the instrument used is. Correct answer is option B, periscope. Question number 30. In which year did the Indian Railways introduce the Tejas Express? Correct answer is option B, 2017. Question number 31. Which is the highest railway line in Indian Railways? Correct answer is option A, Kalka Shimla Railway. Question number 32. Dr. Zakir Hussain was. Correct answer is option A, the first Muslim president of India. Question number 33. G15 is an economic grouping of. Correct answer is option C, third world nations. Question number 34. Pythometer is used to measure. Correct answer is option C, ocean depth. Question number 35. For galvanizing iron, which of the following metals is used? Correct answer is option D, zinc. Question number 36. For purifying drinking water, alum is used. Correct answer is option A, for coagulation of mud particles. Question number 37. Hockey was introduced in the Asian Games in. Correct answer is option A, in Tokyo. Question number 38. ESCAP stands for. Correct answer is option A. Economic and Social Commissions for Asia and the Pacific. Question number 39. Firdausi was. Correct answer is option C. Both option A and B. Question number 40. Himalayan Mountaineering Institute is at. Correct answer is option A. Darjeeling.